Right, good morning. Failed to download fuck off attachment. Right, we're on the river again. It's fucking daft o'clock, been here since about 7. My rod is out. Doing a bit of feeder fishing today, like you do. Dollies up, bit of shade, bag of shit, one rod, bit of ground bait, couple of maggots, some shit. Let's see what happens. I've already had two violent fucking takes that I've missed because I'm useless. Don't fucking care. In true me style, I've only gone and forgot my octopus leg, so there's no point setting my camera up. I've got to hold the bastard. Wounded. But tomorrow should be a better day, hopefully. Fingers crossed. We're more prepared. Because my gear's in my spinning setup. So let's see what happens. Might do a bit of spinning tonight. Dunno. Enjoy.